If you missed the part where I said I'm not some tough guy outdoorsman, I wasn't kidding. So I got the welding gloves on in case he tries to attack me. We got the face shield in case he comes after me. So we're gonna head on up. I've been tracking his movements. He's been spending a lot of time in this corner, traveling between here and here. I assume he's making his entry point somewhere over there. So I'm gonna go up here. We're gonna try to get the old contraption right about there, and hope we don't get attacked in the process. It's dyno day. It's dyno day, but it's not my car, and I didn't build it. So it's a little less stressful than usual. I did wire it, so if anything goes terribly wrong on the dyno, some electronics don't work, that's on me. Otherwise, aside from that, I mean, Zach's kind of on his own here, so see what happens. But nonetheless, a dyno day, always exciting. It's an aluminum 5.3, it's an L33. It was actually bought the exact same time that my motor was. We bought them together at the same junkyard last year. It's got a VS80 on it with a race cover. It's got exhaust off a Mack truck, 5-inch. It's got a Pro Flo intake on it. It's got stock coils. I don't know. It's the usual. It's the usual deal. It's got a super expensive motion catch can on it. It's got porno red interior. It's got turbo 400, Holley Dominator, and I think that's all that matters. So stand by for some exciting video. Zach says he wants to make 1 horsepower more than Matt. So looking for 1025 today. Oh my goodness. Every time you shut this car off, the fuel rushes back, and he's got a stock tank, which is pretty large. And there's no firewall back there yet, and all you can hear is the fuel rushing in there. And it sounds like a waterfall. Okay, I did my best. Lined up the ramps the best I could. Wish there was someone here to help me, because I don't have brakes. It's really steep. Whoops. Who wired that? I think we're on. Not sure if we tore a bunch of shit off or not. Yep, on the trailer. Yeah.
That makes sense, yeah.
Oh, you don't even need the removable fenders. Oh, sick windows. Power, huh? Steven just watering his plants real quick before the dyno gets started. Give her hell, boss. for it? Well, she held together on pull number 1 there, 9 pounds. Steven, how's the tire temp look?
I'm looking for it.
That's all that really matters.
I know.
We got to find out. We got tire temp, we got the roller temp here.
Yeah, 127.
How much?
127.
On what? Tire or the roller?
Oh, that was tranny.
Oh.
99.
99 on the tire.
Yeah, 99.
And it's
How
like
much?
80 degrees out.
And what's the roller?
I don't know.
Well, I want to know.
It's all. Oh, the track temp is 86.
So 86 and 90. Okay. that was this quick video I want to do on Zach's car. I was scrolling my phone this week and I realized I never even made a video from a lot of that footage. So as you saw, it started the year as like an 880, 890 car. And that was in August. And by the end of October, it was down to an 820 car. So he runs the same exact combo that I do, that Matt does, stock bottom end L33, Chinese turbos, things like that. But otherwise, I got the new wheels and tires in the Mustang. I got some front end parts in that I was waiting on. So stand by for more of that.